I'm Stefano Casetti. I am the sales manager for South Europe of Burckhardt Compression. Burckhardt Compression is a leading company providing compressors for the gas industry, established since approximately 200 years ago, and our headquarters in Switzerland. We are presenting our last developments of compressors for hydrogen compression with non-lubricated cylinders, which is the new features that are required by the market. I feel that the level of the audience on the Congress was very high. There were very interested people and very willing to share in their experiences in the field of compression of gases. It has been a good advantage being an exhibitor because we had a good visibility with the audience of the conference. I had a good insight from this. At least I have noticed a good willingness of people to change the world that we are living in, which is not driven by an economic factor, but at the end is to make the world a better place to live. I saw a very good interest in the products we are producing and good willingness also to understand the new developments of technology in our business, which is a good sign for us because looking forward is something that may produce some future business. The best presentation I have seen, it has been the one yesterday showing the value chain of hydrogen, which has been very interesting for the people who was attending and the people who was presenting there.